Hello?
Hi. Hello?
Yes, baby.
Hi, how are you?
Mais là, qu'on laisse ça parce que des heures, et pas aller anglais, laisse ça, je.
Tout ima 609 ou shot.
I don't
Laisse
I
ça,
don't
parler
I
anglais.
don't
Léa, il est créole.
I don't speak Creole, I'm sorry.
You don't speak Creole, I'm not Jamaican, I'm not American, I'm not Anglais. I'm Asian, baby.
Bye medel. Bye medel.
Haitian, me, you better speak Creole, baby.
Well, are you gonna teach me or are you just gonna go ahead and
Qui
talk?
teach you ça? Qui c'est ça? You, oh, bon, on doit voir ici, on doit voir haïtien.
Yeah, my
You have
parents
flag,
are
you have Asian flag.
my
You have Asian flag.
parents.
Baby, don't complicate my life. Don't complicate my life, okay? Because I see your profile, you have flag, you have Asian flag.
My
You say you don't speak Creole.
My parents.
Your parents, you don't speak Creole. Why you go to Asian community? Why you, so I'm saying là? Why you here?
Tout ima 609 ou shot. Mwen ke ba reme se wè.
Because my
Yes, why you
parents are
shit here?
Haitian. So if my parents I
Your
can't go
parent is Asian. You grandi with your parent. Your parent
Who told you
don't
that I was
teach you
raised with my
in Creole.
parents?
Go to your parent again. Say in your parent, you dead me because you don't teach me
How they dead
Creole.
me if I'm
Because right
alive?
now I want to speak with the Asian community. I don't know nothing. You understand me?
Tout ima 609 ou shot.
Why don't I say all
Mwen ke ba
that?
reme se wè.
No easy bumpy, lui.
What?
Et compliqué vivre là. Compliqué vivre là, d'accord.
How?
Ça how là.
Tout ima 609 ou shot.
It's John Weblum.
How? How am I complicating you? Comment faire compliquer là?
Vous entendez? On voit les yeux, mais d'accord, à l'école, oui. Tendez, mais d'accord, à l'école. Et moi, c'est nous toucher. C'est moi, c'est nous tout, d'accord. D'accord, à l'école, mais oui, d'accord, et sous-coup, d'accord, dans la vie, d'accord, à l'école, oui. C'est là, vous me donnez compliqué, ma chérie. Oui.